Now, another thing we are going to do is for the eyes. Okay, now the eyes, these are very, very simple exercises, and all these exercises are, tried it many years and it's really helping. Now, one is I'm going to just press here and I am going to smile. Okay, do this 3 times. Then here, put your finger here, open your eyes and again smile. So what are we doing? We are just working this area underneath. The creepiness is going to go. Now another thing you can do, which is a little harder but it's fantastic, is just look at a mirror and then just try to smile with your eyes without moving any other muscle. Just the lower part of your eyes, the skin. So only this part will move, okay? That's one. The next is of course here, one hand here and like this. Lift, open your eyes, put your fingers on and now close your eyes. And now open again and squeeze it tight. Open and squeeze it tight. This helps these eyebrows because you will find this area of your skin, it really helps, it sags, of your eye, and you'll find you'll have this saggy eyelid. So just do this and it works. So these are the exercises. One is here for widening, and one is this one, these 3. This is for the saggy eyelids and the eyes that are giving trouble. Now, when you wake up in the morning and you find a puffiness around your eye, you find there's a lot of water retention and other things, what I really like for you to do is put one here, one finger here, and one finger there. Okay? Now just squeeze your eyes. Do this exercise and I can tell you something really, see even all the water coming out of my eyes. It is fun. So do these exercises and you're going to find that really it is going to help you a great deal, okay? Now, another thing which I highly recommend is that you should use an eye gel regularly apart from these things. And if you have a lot of puffiness, one thing I found excellent is an essential oil called cedarwood, okay? Put 1 drop of that cedarwood in a teacup, full teacup of tea, okay? Warm tea, 1 drop of it. And then put this hand and just put it under your eyes like this, okay? Under eyes. And you'll find that that is definitely going to take down the puffiness, the dark circles. It's really going to be very, very good for your eyes. It has helped me a great deal. But 1 cup of tea and 1 drop of that. And then do, of course, all your exercises. And for the eyes, instead of using the beautiful skin, you can use an eye gel if you want, or an eye cream to do that exercise, okay? Now we're going to go on to the forehead. Now again, the forehead, you'll find we all have it, like even I have it. When I lift my forehead up, you'll find I have these tiny little lines. And so, but instead of tiny lines are fantastic, but to keep it from going into deeper lines, a wonderful exercise is there. So you've got to put your hands here, both of them. Now press down with your fingers or the palms of your hand and raise your eyebrows. It's like this. Okay. Now, why are we pressing down? We don't want to keep lifting our eyebrows up and down. So we put this and press it down. And then, but the only thing we want to lift up is the eyebrows, like this. Okay. So this is definitely going to help you. And of course, like I said, you will use an oil. Beautiful Skin is the best for this. And you're going to use that. You'll use a gel. You'll use cedarwood for the eyes. And it's going to be wonderful. Now, I'm going to give you the last tip. Now, sometimes, and it happens to me very, many times, is when I have to go, what is going to happen is that I have to do these exercises fast and I can't spend all that time because I've got a busy lifestyle. So I found the easiest, best exercise tips which I'm going to give you. And that is, you are going to say, stand there, of course, do your little shoulder rolls and do your posture and do this and tap your face up, and then look in the mirror and say A vowel, A, and keep it really tight in it. Say A, okay, and do that 5 times. Then E, you're going to do E, E 5 times, okay? So A, E, I. You see, can you feel your muscles working? The ones that each area is different. A, E, I, O. Now, when you do this O, this is important. Even if you're not doing this vowel exercise regularly, this exercise you should do. It's going to shape your cheek hollows. You're going to give you that lovely cheek hollows, okay? So what you're going to do is O. Now when you do O, pull those muscles in. So let's do it again. Come. O. Yeah, pull the muscle in. Don't just do O. O, no, it doesn't work. You got to do O. Pull the muscle in. O. Pull the muscle in. So this is going to give you that lovely cheekbones, those lovely hollows, and it's really going to shape your face. So A, E, I, O. Now you like this. I always say imagine a wonderful, handsome man or your husband, and you're going to, or your boyfriend, give them a kiss. Now that is going to help. So A, E, I, O, U, do that and you're done. With the tapping, with the oil, with the everything else, and your friend. And you will see, I can guarantee, you do this for some time, you are definitely going to look 10 years younger. Your muscles are going to be fantastic. I must tell you something. This is my go-through mantra for every day, and it really has helped me a great deal.